guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you, girl, for clicking on this video. Y'all, today we're going to be playing in some old and new makeup, and I'm bringing this series back to my channel. It is going to be Let's Shop My Stash series. So we're going to be playing in makeup that we've already had in our collection, revisiting those great products because there's so many new products as well coming out. So I kind of want to combine the two. So that's what we're doing today. And we created this really pretty like peachy, orangey undertone look. So if you want to see how I got this look using those products, then keep on watching. So first I'm going to be using this MAC Prep and Prime. I haven't used MAC Prep and Prime lip product in so many years. I don't even know. It was brand new sitting in my lip drawer. It's definitely hydrating. It just doesn't give a shine. It's just prepping my lips for when we do our lips. So that is that. I've already done my eyebrows because that's not like that exciting. So I'm gonna prime my face with the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Power Primer. And since it's in my stash, I might as well go ahead and finish this out. But I love this primer. It is very hydrating and moisturizing on the skin. It comes with this little dropper. But now that it's at the bottom, it's kind of hard to get it out. I may have to just use a brush. Like I said, it's very hydrating and moisturizing. It's like a 2-in-1 with the priming aspect as well as the moisturizing aspect. So really like this product. I don't know if this product is still like sold in stores. I've purchased that from like a Marshalls or TJ Maxx a while ago, but if I can find links to the products that I'll be using today, I will be sure to link them down below. I'm also going to be finishing up this Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray. It's only a little bit left, so I might as well go ahead and use this as well. And we're gonna let that just marinate into the skin. I'm gonna prep the eyelids with the Fenty Beauty Wear Even Hydrating Longwear Concealer. This is a new product for me, so I'm excited to try this under the eye. Packaging looks like this. I have mine in the shade 350C. Y'all, when I was looking at this concealer, I was like, it was a little challenging to find out the shade because the original Pro Filt'r one matches your foundation, so that was a little hard for me. And I'm going to be using this new sponge as well. This is the I Am Magic Dual Density Makeup Sponge. It looks like this. So I'm just going to put that all over the lid. So we're going to be going in with the Juvia's Place, the Bronze Rustic Eyeshadow Palette. And this palette is so cute. It's perfect for travel, perfect for spring, all year round. So I'm going to be going in with this palette, setting my eyelids with this shade right here. They don't have the numbers or colors listed, but I'm just going to go ahead and go in with this and just set the eyes with the shadow, like just lay the shadows down and go in with this shade first. And I'm using the Morphe E22 brush. I really like this brush for applying just like shadows in my crease, whether that's just using a bronzer shade or really setting a color down in my crease to start as a transition shade. Above that shade, I am going to go in with a little bit of this yellow using the same brush. It's like a light yellow. It's like, I think it's like, look at that. Perfect for transitioning. Not a lot, but just like to like peek through. I'm just gonna focus that on the very top. Very subtle, but it still looks nice. Using the same brush, I'm gonna go in with this shade here and just like deepen up the outer corner. I don't really know if it'll deepen it. It looks like it's gonna make it lighter. That's good. You guys know I love a good shimmer, so instead of going to my favorite, which is gold, we're gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm just gonna take my finger. It's like a rustic, like orangey shade. Like, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I really want to darken up the outer corner. So I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Naked Petite palette. Do you guys remember this palette? OMG. It comes with the light with these beautiful orange shades. So I'm going to take this chocolate and go on the outer V to give us some depth here. Because it looks like I lost a lot of my color. So I think that's it for the eyes. I'll come back to it if I need to. But I'm super excited and intrigued to try these magnetic lashes. I have never tried magnetic lashes, but I found this at Marshall's. This is the Lily Lashes Click Magnetic Mink Lashes, I believe. Okay, the style is Miami Flare, and they are gorgeous. And then I picked up the Glamnetic So Feature Magnetic Felt Tip Eyeliner Pencil as well. So this is in Cocoa Dream. So let's see how this applies. I haven't, like I said, never tried magnetic. Let me know if you tried magnetic lashes. What are your thoughts? I remember when it first came out, like that was a thing. But is it still a thing? Let me know. Now I'm not the best wing liner girl, but on those days where I don't feel like dealing with glue on my lashes, this may be it. So for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear foundation. And I use a lot of hydrating products because my skin is normal to dry. This shade may not be my shade anymore. This was the shade 310. Oh my gosh, I was so excited because I felt like the original one was just not working for my skin. It's very lightweight. Both formulas are lightweight, but I just really like hydrating products, and so I definitely like this one more than the original Pro Filt'r. But even with the concealer, I'm excited to see how hydrating this concealer is because that original Pro Filt'r is a little more drying on my skin. But for the girls that have oily skin, the original Fenty line is definitely a hands down great foundation and concealer. But not too bad. I'm gonna go in with my sponge. Just the concealer, we're gonna go ahead in with this. Love how the wand is like at a dip, so you can like really get in here. Now this may be, you know, it's not really a highlighting shade because I wanted to get a shade that's like an everyday shade. I want to see if this is going to be like my new everyday concealer. Is given that this was literally 310 foundation shade, but it's 350C. Yeah, this is definitely like my everyday shade, but it feels nice. This wand is nice. I'll lighten it up with the original 310, but let me go ahead and blend this out. Looks really nice though. It's got enough coverage. I would say medium to buildable coverage. This is so hydrating under the eye. Like, I feel like my eyes are so like woken. And this brush, or this sponge, I love the tip because it can go like right up under the eye. Ooh, I may have to get this in a lighter shade as well. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the original up there. I hope it doesn't like mess up the hydration, but I do like a brighter under eye. And then I'm gonna be testing out the Uma Beauty 3 Double Take Sculpt and Strobe Stick. So one side's a highlighter, and the other side is a contour stick. So I'm gonna be using this as my bronzer today. I definitely cannot use the Fenty setting powder under my eyes. It is super drying. Like I said, it's more mattifying than anything. So if you have oily skin, girl, go get that. Go and get that. For bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Instant Warm Bronzer in Beige Gal. It's been so long since I've used this. So we're gonna use this, and I'm also gonna mix it with my favorite Wet n Wild What Shady Beaches bronzer right here. As you can see, hitting pan on this. I'm gonna use the Morphe E52 brush as the bronzing brush today. The Fenty bronzer is like a really, really nice, like sun-kissed type of bronzer. So this is something that you would definitely like pack with you if you're going on vacation. And then this Wet n Wild is just so warm. I love the warmth that this bronzer gives. Like, it's like the best. I think I found this at like Five Below a while ago. I don't even know if they still sell this. Like, look at that. And I'm just gonna take the Hourglass and set the rest of the face as well. I'm gonna go in with this little puffer here to set the rest of the face. And what I tend to do is like tap off the excess on my hand so that it's not too much going on. Blending everything together, or just patting it all together. Because I don't like to set powder on my smile lines, because then they start to like crack up or break up, and I don't like this. So this has like been working for me. And then I'm gonna just bronze just a little bit more because I kind of lost that here. For blush, this is a new blush, and hopefully it works on top of the dried products. I know that the technique is to apply all of your wet or cream products before setting it, but your girl gotta set under the eye first before I move on. So I'm gonna be trying the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Blush, and I know they have a numerous amount of colors of these, but this is my first one trying, first time trying this. So this is Blush Barbados is the color, and it looks like this. So pretty. It's like the prettiest subtle like orange shade. We love a good orange over here. So I figured I would use this first, and then I'm gonna go in and set it with the Sephora Hot Flush number 13 powder blush. So let's see how this is gonna look, and put that in little by little because I do not want a big splash on my face. Oh, it's pretty. I know that the e.l.f. has the liquid blushes that are so bomb, you guys. Like, I've tested those out here on my channel. Make sure you check those out, that video out, and check those out. Like, amazing. This is kind of doing the same thing, just in a like a jar form as opposed to a wand. But I'm not mad at this color. I'm not mad at this color. I like that this is like buildable. Like, if I wanted to use my finger, I could, but I'm just diffusing it with a brush just so that I can move it around a little bit more. This Sephora blush has like a sheen to it. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. And now I'm just gonna go under the waterline or under the lash line with that same brown, but I'm gonna go in the Naked Urban Decay palette and just tie this all together, girl. I'm gonna go in with the Kilowatt Foil by Fenty Beauty, and this one is the duo Sandcastle and Minted Mojito. It's been a while. I love putting this blue in the inner corner, but today I'm gonna go in with this Sandcastle shade. Since we're sticking with this little theme here, I think I'll just put this right here. Yeah, that's perfect. Just to brighten this up. I love putting colors in my inner corner. Has that stopped? Has that trend stopped? Is that a trend? Or has that makeup tip stopped? Let me know down below. Excited to try this Morphe lip pencil in the shade Chippy. It's like this burnt orange. It's like a burnt orange shade. Kind of like that. Almost like mauve actually. But I'm gonna fill my lips in as much as I can with this, and then I'm gonna top it with the MAC Powder Kiss Velvet Blur Slim Stick. So many words. This is in the shade Pumpkin Spice. Let's just see how that looks. I may just do this with a nude. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a nude. I'm gonna fill my lips in all the way. So you can leave the look like this if you like, which I love a good matte lip. I'm all for a matte lip. This is the finished look. Okay, girl, let's talk about it. Okay, let's talk about it. The face is eating. Okay, let's start there. I love that this came together. The hydrating products always do it for me. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.